Johnny Stewart Premium Crow Calls. Hammerin crow call. Raspier sounding, great for long range, weather resistant. Right, let's see. Okay, come on, I want some. Here we go, the instructions. Assembly call. This is a two-note call. Right. A smooth note and a raspy note. The smooth note is made by saying the word foo. The raspy note is made by humming the word all into your throat. Combine the two for medium to close range calling. Alert call. Say foo in half-second intervals in a series of 2s and 3s. This is a long range call when crows are just audible. Caw. This is the most common call made by humming the word all in a series of 3s fairly rapidly. Remember, make your calls by forcing air up from your diaphragm and do not bite the mouthpiece. Just place your lips on the lip slots and block out all the air. I think it means block out all the escaping air from around it. To tune your call, place reed 1/8 of an inch away from the end of the mouthpiece. For higher pitch, lower the reed. For higher pitch, For higher pitch, lower the reed. For lower pitch, raise the reed. Keep your call out of direct sunlight. I take it then you can pull that out and you can move the reed that's inside. But let's try a simple blow. Well, that seems soft and not raspy at all. Where was the instructions for the raspy bit? I can't see it now. Try from my diaphragm. No, I can't hear no raspiness. So, bit of practice, and I'll come back to this one after I've tried it and see what I can do. Blowing from the diaphragm. The Johnny Stewart Premium Crows Hammerin Crow Call. Some instructions on the back. Gives you a few ideas how to make different tones, different calls I should say. For the tone it does say you can pull out the mouthpiece and adjust the reed that's inside. So there is a bit of twiddling and adjustment you can make on this. But after being out in the field, just trying it out a few times. I don't think I can progress any further. To me, personally, some of the other calls that I've got, I think I can produce a better crow call with it. And although this seems to be a very popular call and quite a well made call, and certainly some thought gone into making it good for people that want a crow call, but me personally, I think I'll do better with some of the other calls that I've got. So I'm going to leave this one for now and see how I'll get on with the others.